Adding the air quality weather widget to your iPhone 16's lock screen provides quick access to important air quality information without unlocking your device. Here's how it's done. First, swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings app icon. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Wallpaper. Navigate to the current wallpaper preview and tap Customize on the left-hand image. Next, tap the Add Widget panel below the clock. Now scroll down and tap on Weather. Once you're in the Weather menu, swipe across until you find Air Quality, and then tap or drag to add the Air Quality widget on the lock screen. To continue, tap Close twice, and then tap Done to save your changes. When finished adding, you can tap the widget on your iPhone's lock screen to view detailed air quality information. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this one.